Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Oracle 21c on Windows 11. Now I am going to download Oracle 21c. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Press enter. Type in Google search bar. Download Oracle 21c. Press enter. Click on first official website link. www.oracle.com. Now our Oracle website is open. Here it is, our Oracle 21c Windows installer. Let's click on download link. Select on, I reviewed and accept the Oracle license agreement. Click on download. You need to log on here through Oracle account, then you can able to download Oracle 21 installer. I have signed in and downloaded the Oracle setup. It is 2.5 GB installer package. It will take some time to download. It's depend on your internet speed. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Let's double click on RT folder. Double click on download folder. Here it is, our Oracle installer. It is a zip file. I am going to extract it. Right click on it. Click WinRAR. Click extract file. Here we will select the drive where we have to extract it. I will create a folder where the Oracle setup extract is. This is the name of our folder. Click OK. Let's close Downloads console. Our Oracle RAR file is getting extracted. This may take some time. After extracting, let's double click on this PC. Double click on E drive. Open this folder. Let's drop down to end. Here it is, our Oracle setup file. Right click on it. Click open. Click yes. Let's close this folder. Select create and configure a single instance database. Click next. Select desktop class. This options includes a starter database and allow minimal configuration. Click next. Here you are seeing 4 options. I am going to choose create new Windows user. Fill username. OC21_admin. Set the password of OC21_admin. Type confirm password. Click next. Type password. Type confirm password. Click next. Perform prerequisite checks. Click install. Select private network, such as my home or work network. Click allow access. This installation will take some time. The installation and configuration of Oracle database was successful. Let's copy the Oracle Enterprise Manager Database Express URL. Open web browser. Paste URL on address bar. Click Advanced. Click Proceed to localhost. As you can see, Oracle Enterprise Manager Database Express logon page is open. Let's close web browser. Click Close. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to install Oracle 21C on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.